I really want to encourage our young people to desist from what I call drug abuses. It is really taking toll order in among our young people, and today Lodwar is not left out. We have a lot of dens in Lodwar where all these drugs are being sold, and I really want to call upon the government, the security enforcers, to make sure that they wipe out those dens so that our young boys and girls can go back to school. There's a demo that I've had that's being planned by the university students. But in Turkana, let's not be part and parcel of that demo, because we want to give the government a chance so that they can be able to deliver. Yesterday, the president made his promises, and we want to see those promises being fulfilled. And I want to call all the comrades in Turkana that we should not be part and parcel of that. Let's follow and emulate what our government is up to. Let's appreciate what the county government is up to. Let's follow the county government and ensure that money hits into your bursary, into your accounts in school, so that you can be able to go to school.
Now, as the person in charge of the bursaries, scholarships and loans, already the Act Turkana County Education Fund 2023 has already been assented into law. It has already been gazetted, and already we have submitted the name of the chairperson of the board to the county assembly for approval. Once that is done, we can be able to distribute money to students within this holiday.